Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I have an Hermes unboxing for you. I picked up a few new pieces, some ready-to-wear jewellery, shoes, and I wanted to come here and unbox everything with you. So if you're interested, keep watching. Don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram, which you can see here on the screen. I show you my new purchases, how I style them, my daily outfits on stories. So come say hi, I'd love to see you there as well. So let's kick it off with some jewellery. In today's video I mentioned I picked up some fine jewellery pieces from Hermes, but I also have some new diamond pieces that I want to show you from Idyl. Idyl is a diamond fine jewellery brand that you would absolutely love if you're not familiar with Idyl. I really want to introduce you to the brand. I have been collecting my Idyl pieces for a couple of years now, and they always have the most beautiful, unique, modular jewellery pieces that you can interchange, and that's the reason I love them so much, because this way you can create endless combinations and ever-changing looks. That's definitely something that sets them apart from any other brand, and their jewellery pieces are also very affordable because they're lab-grown diamonds. But as you guys know, lab-grown diamonds are the same as real diamonds, they're just made in a lab. Hence the more accessible price point, and I wanted to show you a new pair of earrings that I got. So my pieces came in this lovely dust bag. The packaging is always so lovely with Idyl, and they came in this cute little box. It looks like a little book. My current Idyl wishlist is so long because they always drop new releases. They just released some new pieces as well, so do check out their website. But this time I decided to go with Bea. Bea is a crescent moon of 5 exquisite marquise cut diamonds that range from 0.05 carats to 0.10 to 0.20 carats. So you have different sized diamonds. I love that the marquise cut give the pieces that little edge, and they're so stunning for an evening out. They're definitely a bit more statementy. If you love the cut of the diamonds, they also have matching necklaces, matching add-ons for their necklaces. You definitely have to check Serena and Thalia if you want to be matchy-matchy. They're definitely going on my wish list as well. Today I decided to pair my new earrings with my Ava necklace. So their necklaces have the same concept, same modularity. You buy the plain gold chain necklace, and from there you can add different add-ons. Ava is a different cut. As you can see, it is a pear cut diamond, but I think both of these complement each other really well because they are very similar shape and the pear diamond also has this little edge. So yeah, I think they go really well together. And also I wanted to mention that you can get different stud sizes, so they have petite, medium and big. I have the big studs, so you basically have the same base and then you can add different add-ons, and Bea is just the add-on. I'm also wearing here on the top another stud with the Live add-on, which is another huge favorite of mine, and I always get compliments. It is a crawler style earring, so I will insert a close-up so you can see my current stack. All Idyl pieces are so dainty. They're 14 karat gold, by the way, and you can choose between yellow gold. Mine are in yellow gold, but they also have rose gold or white gold, and all these pieces are a great investment because they will last you for many years, and you can wear them in the shower, to work out. You don't really have to take them off. Definitely check out Idyl. I'll make sure I link their website down below together with all the pieces that I'm wearing today. And don't forget to subscribe to their newsletter for exciting promotions and surprises for their community. They also will notify you when they have new launches, discounts. Now they also have the hint option on the website that you can use to send a little hint to your husband, your partner for your birthday, Christmas, you know, anniversaries. And also they do have a loyalty program where you can collect points and redeem towards purchases. Next, let's move to Hermes. I do have some more fine jewellery to show you from Hermes, but I think I'm gonna start with something else that's very exciting. It comes in this packaging, and can you guys guess what it is? It is ready to wear. I have been wanting one of these for a while now, and it is, I don't know if you can even see it because it's black. I got this very beautiful classic black t-shirt from Hermes with the embroidered pocket. This t-shirt is so good. I wish I bought it earlier. I've been eyeing it since last year. They had a seasonal color last year that I missed on. They had it in a tube, but it was completely sold out. They always have different colors every season. They have seasonal colors. This year they have a beautiful terracotta. I'll link it down below. They also have a beautiful green, but I think the black and the white are in their classic line. It is such a nice fit, just a timeless piece to have in your wardrobe, and I know I'll get a lot of wear out of this. It fits so well. It is a really nice cotton, not too thick and heavy, so it is perfect for the hot months. I think the embroidery on the pocket is so beautiful. You have the embroidered H, but also you can kind of see that mosaic pattern. It does remind me of the pattern on their mosaic tableware. I think it is the same pattern. Also, the price of these compared to other brands, Hermes ready-to-wear is not that expensive. Like, let's say if you compare the prices to Chanel ready-to-wear, Chanel t-shirts start from £1,500 upwards. I have seen Chanel t-shirts for £5,000 with embroidery. This with the embroidery was a bit over £500, so there is a big difference between the two. And yeah, for a luxury brand ready to wear, I think it is quite reasonably priced compared to other brands. Most of their pieces look very classic. They're not very trendy, so you can wear them for years and years. This is actually my second ready-to-wear piece from Hermes. I do own only one other cardigan that I bought last year, and this is my second ready-to-wear piece from Hermes. I'm so happy. I think I might have to get this t-shirt in more colors. By the way, it also runs true to size, so go for your normal size. Next, we have, I know many of you can recognize this box and you probably know what's inside. Let me unbox it. It is a little twilly scarf, and this is the cutest scarf, guys. It is so adorable, the print. I know what some of you may say. Maria, didn't you film a video saying that you won't be buying any twillies anymore? Well, yes, I did say that, but I couldn't resist this one. Plus, I do have a black Birkin, and I was looking for a black twilly. I do try to avoid wearing my black bags in summer, but I do really love my Birkin. I wear it a lot, and I wanted to give it a more summery look, I guess, and this twilly was perfect because it's not too contrasting. You guys know I don't like very contrasting twillies. I don't really like to accessorize my Birkins with charms and twillies, so I always try to find matching twillies to the color of the bag, so they're not too obvious and contrasting. And this one I thought was perfect. It just has a touch of pink at the end, so it makes the bag a bit more summery and fun for the warmer months. Also, the print is so cute. I loved all the animals. There is a little kitty, a butterfly, sparrow, a monkey, the horse, a panther. And I love that the animals and the prints are in pastel colors. They're my favorite. Also, the orange hearts really pop as well, and they complement the gold hardware on the Birkin. So yeah, I think this is the perfect Hermes twilly for a black Birkin or a black Kelly if you're looking for one. In my opinion, this is the best. Next, we have a pair of shoes that I've been wanting again since last year. I've been eyeing these, but I was eyeing them in a very particular color because they do come in a few different colors. So let me quickly unbox them and show you. And in here we have these beautiful white espadrille wedges. Aren't they so beautiful? Oh my god, I'm obsessed with these shoes. They're so nice. They do come in black. I did try the black pair in Spain last year when I was in Barcelona. I'll link my Barcelona shopping vlog above. I did try this style and another style, very similar style with a platform as well in Barcelona, but they were in black. They did release the white pair as well last year, but they were completely sold out, and then they didn't really restock them. I was hoping they will bring them back this year, and they did. But guess what? They restocked on the website. They sold out in minutes. Literally, they sold out in my size. So I did mention to my essay that I wanted a pair of these, and he managed to find them. He did have to order them from somewhere. It took about a week, but I finally have them, and I'm so happy. They are so stunning, especially in the white. I really wanted a white pair of heeled sandals, so here they are. They do come in black, as I said. Again, I think the black, the tan and the white are the classic colors, but they do have some seasonal colors as well. Also, they're not too high. Hermes has a very similar sandal. I forgot the name now, it slipped my mind, but they do have a very similar wedge sandal without the strap, without the ankle strap, and they're open at the back. But when I tried them on, I didn't find them as comfortable and they weren't that secure. These ones, I personally, this particular style with the ankle strap, I find a lot more comfortable. And yeah, the back bit also gives you a bit more support as well when you walk. These are very similar to the Orans and the Oasis sandals, just in a wedge style that I really like for summer. The wedge, especially in the espadrille style, screams summer. I quickly wanted to mention something about the sizing. So these only come in full sizes, at 37, 38, 39. They don't come in half sizes. Me and my friend bought the exact same pair of shoes at the same time. I'm very lucky because these fit me perfectly. My friend is between sizes and unfortunately they don't work for her, so she's actually selling hers. Drop me a DM on my closet account if you're interested, because these are sold out completely, impossible to find, especially in the white. She's selling hers in size 38. Unfortunately, they don't work for her. And I wanted to mention that because this style, I know, won't probably work for everyone, especially if you are between sizes. I'm so happy. I was a bit worried, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, they fit me perfectly and they're very comfortable. I wouldn't say they're the lightest, but when I put them on, I don't find them that heavy. So yeah, I do really like them. Super excited to style them up now for my holiday, definitely packing them. And last, we have some Hermes fine jewellery. So I picked up two pieces that I wanted to quickly unbox with you and show you. The first one I managed to score from the website. This, I have been asking my essay for this ring. Here is an up close. It is a silver ring. I have been asking my essay for this ring for so long, and this style is always sold out. So my essay said, if you see it on the website, order ASAP, add to cart straight away, because they sell out also online very quick. As soon as they restock, they're gone in seconds. I was lucky because one day I was randomly browsing and I checked the silver fine jewellery and I saw that they have this, and I checked out straight away. I really love Hermes fine jewellery. I think it's so different from all the other brands. The designs are so gorgeous and some of the pieces are so unique and intricate. When we mention fine jewellery, we usually think of white gold, rose gold, yellow gold, but Hermes also does really beautiful silver fine jewellery pieces, and they're so popular. They're sold out all the time. We were talking with my essay and he mentioned he hasn't seen some of the long necklaces, the farandole necklaces, because I did mention that I wanted one of them as well. He mentioned he hasn't seen those in like 2-3 years at the store. So some of these pieces could be really tricky to get hold of, and that's the reason he said if you see something that you want on the website, especially if it's like silver piece, grab it from the website. So this ring, as soon as I saw, I was like, oh my god, I can't believe they restocked. Unfortunately, it is not the size I wanted, but it fits. It still fits. I can wear it on my ring finger. Ideally, I wanted to wear it on this finger, the index finger, but it doesn't fit. Although it has an open back, it's like cut at the back, I thought I would be able to like stretch it out, but it doesn't work. And last we have some more fine jewellery. This piece my essay surprised me with and I couldn't believe it because it's been again sold out. It's very difficult to get hold of, and it is the matching silver bracelet. I honestly couldn't believe it when he brought it out. He was like, let me go and check something, I think I might have something for you. And then a couple of minutes later he came back with this bracelet and I couldn't believe it because again I have asked him for this and it was always sold out before. It was never in stock. So yeah, you should have seen my face when I saw this bracelet and when I tried it on, and it fits so well. I think it comes in 2 or 3 different sizes. It looks so beautiful on. The bracelet is so light, I don't really feel it on. It's not chunky, it's not on the way, it doesn't get caught in clothes. This one I can actually stretch out a little bit. It is open again at the back, you can see it's not completely closed. It is exactly the same design as the ring I showed you. But this one, compared to the ring, I can actually open up slightly, make it a bit bigger. So yeah, this is the bracelet stacked with my watch. Even with my Rolex, it matches so well. It's such a nice stack. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's luxury haul. Let me know what you think of my new Hermes pieces. Do you have a favorite? Don't forget to check out Idyl and their beautiful diamond modular pieces. I will link everything down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!